The Mega Double Power Chuck was developed as a holder for high-speed end milling and heavy-duty machining. When tightening the nut, the face comes in contact with the flange of the holder body. In addition, the Big Plus dual contact taper is standard, providing the highest rigidity as an integral body. There are two types of coolant supply: directly through the tools and around the tool periphery. The first tool is a Mega Double Power Chuck. Heavy-duty machining with a 1-inch 890 thousandths axial depth and 354 thousandths radial depth results in stable, quiet cutting. Next is a 1-inch 260 thousandths full cut mill with a projection length of 9 inches 650 thousandths and a 315 thousandths depth of cut on a 50 taper machining center. Excellent spindle speeds and feed rates can be achieved despite the long projection and large depth of cut. In order to take advantage of the inherent performance of machine tools and cutting tools, a tool holder with high rigidity and gripping strength like the Mega Double Power Chuck should be utilized.